Sylvia and my friends.
My name is Riani.
My name is Gendis.
In this video, we want to give you steps to make French popmies. For the ingredients, here we say
1 cup of popmie goreng, 350 cc of hot water, a pair of scissors.
for the steps, namely
Cooking steps 1. First open the lid of the popmie goreng cold halfway. 2. Second, remove all the seasoning packs and include it from the cup. 3. Pour the hot water into the noodle cup. If you do not have any hot water, boil some water first. 4. Close the lid back to the cup. Then let it sit for 3 minutes. 5. After 3 minutes, add on drain water completely from the cup.
7. Next, open the seasoning packs by using secure source of tearing them. Then, add the seasoning to the noodle. You can also add the some sausage if you want. 6. Last, stir the noodle by using included for until the noodle and seasoning are well combined. Finally, a cup of stir fry popmie noodle is ready to serve.